Hello guys, welcome to the video where I'm all about living my life at 40 years and above. Today I'm going to give you the remaining 4 ways to boost your immunity. Last week I talked about 4 ways of boosting immunity. I told you there was 8 of them. I've discussed the first 4. Today I'm going to talk about the remaining 4 of them. So if you truly want to keep up with my journey, make sure you hit the like button and also make sure you subscribe. And also make sure you turn on the bell notification. That way, you will always be the first to know whenever I release a video. Come on friends, let's do this! Welcome back to the video guys. If you're new here, you're most welcome. My name is Ernest and I'm a fitness and health enthusiast, and I want you to consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, I welcome you very much to this video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to boost our immune system against the COVID-19. Last week I talked about 4 reasons and I told you that this video might be released in 2 weeks from now. So if the COVID-19 is still there, this video will be very relevant for you. But if we have conquered it, which I believe will be so by then, this video will be more of an entertainment. Whichever be the case, just enjoy the video. Without any further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1 way to boost your immunity is to avoid excess sugar and excess carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is very ineffective when it comes to boosting your immune system. It blocks the absorption of vitamin C, zinc and other vital nutrients into your cell. This further puts your white blood cell into a state of coma, thereby making it impossible for your immune system to be optimal and fight the viral disease. So you are encouraged not to take excess carbohydrate at this very hour in order to boost your immunity, because that is going to do a very good job for you to make sure that you stay healthy at this time of COVID-19. It is common knowledge that exercise can contribute to general good health and a healthy immune system by promoting the flow of the required substances for immune system all through the body easily. So when you exercise, the more often you exercise, your body function, your cardiovascular system, your circulatory system, your heartbeat, your brain will be at optimum performance. That way, it will make sure that all the vital organisms, all the vital nutrients you need to boost your immunity are at work and protect your body. So you are encouraged to exercise more often these days. We are all at home, so we have more time to exercise and actually boost our immunity. The 3rd way to boost your immune system is to have a healthy digestive system. You can improve your digestive system by eating healthy food, because if you have a poor digestive system, nutrients cannot be absorbed into the vital organs and they will not function properly to protect you from any viral infection. So you are advised to make sure we eat healthy foods, food that can be anti-inflammatory, food that can actually detoxify our system, like garlic, ginger, apple cider vinegar, green leafy vegetables, healthy fats like coconut oil, grass-fed butter, olive oil, and healthy proteins like beef, chicken and eggs. These are very good food. Make sure they are organic or they are not highly processed. Make sure they are as good as they can be to be able to improve your digestive system. The last but not the least way, which is actually the 4th way that I have for you to improve your digestive system, is to stop the use of drugs. A long-term struggle with drugs and alcohol can damage most of your organs, both the immune system, digestive system, circulatory system, your heart. All your organs are at risk when you consume excess alcohol and drug abuse. So make sure any drug you want to take is prescribed by a doctor and desist from any use of drug that is not clinically allowed at this particular time, because it will actually damage your immune system and even other cells in your body. So guys, that's it for today. That is the 4 remaining ways that you can boost your immune system during this COVID-19 era. Now if I see here, I appreciate you. Give the video a like. If I appreciate what I'm doing, kindly subscribe so that you can encourage me to make this kind of video for you. This is a special design for you to get your good back, to make sure you are healthy and alive. I upload videos like this 3 times in a week. I upload every Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays, and you don't want to miss them. In my videos, I show you how to exercise, I show you how to what to do to be healthy, and also to encourage you to live a better life. And I'm basically displaying how I live my life and how I'm trying to keep fit and keep healthy even as I'm 40 and above. So with that being said, see you same time next week. Ciao.